Okay, so in this segment I'm going to share with you a little trick that has helped me a lot through all my research and studying, and that is how to find a particular word or set of words or part of a word in a document. And what you do is use the buttons Control F, CTRL, bottom left of the keyboard, and F. You hold them both down. This works on websites, on PDF files, and on Word documents. Kind of a universal thing. So what I'm going to show you here, bring this into view. Let's say you are looking for a document, you find it in Google, and it's rather long, and when you put in keyword searches, you'll find these statements below, and these are just excerpts from the website that has the information that you're looking for potentially. And so let's say it's a 10-page long document. You may be digging quite a while trying to find those keywords. So what you do is let's say this is the part of the of what you're looking for. Yeah, this looks intriguing, so I'm going to left click, drag and highlight, then right click and copy, and I'm going to hit this button and bring it on up, and then so here's my website, and so Control F, and here it goes. I'm going to right click and paste what I've just copied and hit enter. So anything that's in here that is identified as the same is going to be found here. So you don't have to even do whole words, like this part of it, as long as it matches. And so, and if there were other keywords in a long document that you just want to look for, that you know that keyword might get you the information you want, then you just type it in. Hold on. All right. So anything I type. So let's say I'm going to go find a word. All right. So the word to. This is just an example. Anywhere the word to is found, it's going to show it. And then this is number 1. It's in orange. And then click the down arrow, and there's number 2. It's in orange. Those are the only 2 occurrences of that number that are showing. And if it's part of a word, see, it's still any occurrence of a T now is going to show you. If it's a phrase, it's going to highlight the phrase as long as all the letters are identical, and that is very, very helpful, especially in long documents. And this, of course, works with Word as well. And so let's say you went back in the document and it's 10 pages long, and you're like, where was that? I remember that word was in there. Okay, so the Control F, and it pops up in the middle here, but it still works the same. So procedure committee, I just did just a portion of that, and I hit enter, and oh, look at that. And so that is what you had typed in that shows up in there. And if it didn't show up at all, it would say none found. So you didn't waste your time. See, that's the only occurrence of that that's in there. So use your imagination. This thing can be extremely helpful. And we'll move on to the next video.